As you can see, people have crowded to buy the fish and there is no social distancing whatsoever.
I humbly request to all the Goans and the people who are staying in Goa to please maintain social distance when you're going for shopping. It is a good news that Goa is totally and completely free from coronavirus. But that doesn't mean that we should not maintain social distance. As you all are all aware, people from borders of Karnataka and Maharashtra, they are trying to such a way and a path and trying to enter in Goa. And you all already know that enough people have already entered in Goa. Now imagine, by mistake, if one of the person has a virus, a coronavirus, and that person enters in Goa, it will not take time for Goans and for all the Goan people to get this virus. You people already know how fast this virus is spreading. So I would request each and every Goan, when you're going out for shopping, please make sure maintain social distance to keep yourself safe and your family. Thank you.